Section 13. Special Judicial Magistrates. Clause 1. High Court, if requested by the central or state government, can confer upon any person powers of a judicial magistrate, of first or second class, in respect to particular cases, or to particular classes of cases, in any local area that is not a metropolitan area. This is provided that such person possesses necessary qualification and experience. Clause 2. Such magistrates will be called special judicial magistrates. Their term of service will not be exceeding 1 year. Clause 3. The High Court can also appoint a special judicial magistrate, to exercise the powers of a metropolitan magistrate, in relation to any metropolitan area outside his local jurisdiction.